be coming down her.
Maybe. I like your car.
It'd be nice if there was a sign or something somewhere.
That's what made me question.
Because I'm pretty sure this is the one.
Cool. He thought I was going to squat him. Was that tied in like a bow or something?
Well, it just kind of looped.
Oh. Interesting way of securing the gate, isn't it?
Yeah, it's got a perfectly good metal latch, which is weird.
Odd. Someone just got creative with it, obviously.
You wouldn't particularly want to do this one when it's wet, would you?
No, not really. I feel like weather condition wise, we've probably timed this quite well.
Yes. Waiting for us to bottom out. Okay.
Oh, good. Keep my foot in just enough, just in case,
Yeah.
you know. I don't know if you've ever noticed, but whenever it looks like it's starting to get a little bit rutty, I don't change this old throttle movement.
Well, this bit could be fun.
A little bit. That'd be alright. It gets less rutty, ironically.
Yeah.
It just looks a bit more up and down now. Look at that. Beautiful. Looks like some people have straddled the ruts, doesn't it? Or bikes or something. Oh, look, another gate.
Another gate.
Oh, that's going to catch. Cool. Not as bad as I thought. It's so weird how you can feel like the edge is dragging.
Yes.
Bizarre, isn't it? That looks like that's going to get proper sloppy up there, doesn't it? What do you think?
Could be.
More sheeps. No lambs in there, though. I don't think.
Not yet.
Sad times. Do you think that's the main road?
Yeah. Oh, wait, this field's got nothing in.
Ah, strange, isn't it? Do you think there's sometimes sheep in this field? It looks like a sheep's field.
Yeah.
But then again, saying that, with that fence, there wouldn't be, because they get through there.
The thing is, I know farmers used to, I don't know if they still do, but they used to get grants for just leaving their fields.
Oh look, there has been sheep in at some point, because the fluffers.
All the fluffers.
Sheep fluffers. Oh, and there's poops.
But yeah, they used to get grants and whatnot for kind of just leaving fields to, so for bees and that. Obviously this isn't one of them, but it's always fascinating what farmers are up to, because obviously there's a reason why there's nothing in it.
Yeah, and it's not as if it's growing anything, is it?
Whether the sheeps have gone to market.
Hope not. That'd be sad times. Poor sheeps. But maybe the sheep that are in that field sometimes go in this field, and sometimes they go in that field. They alternate.
Maybe.
They have like a holiday.
Yes.
I think there's some pheasants up ahead.
Oh.
Hey!
They were like disappointed.
Johnson pheasant.
Yeah, nom. Not
Nom. Since he that's never eaten a pheasant.
Look at that pheasant run.
I know. It always gets me. They run like they've got somewhere to be, don't they?
Oh, it's got a very nice new gate.
Oh, it's very shiny. Looks like someone's polished this one.
Shiny.
Oh, look, it looks like I'll be able to stop the other side of it. Oh, it's a double gate.
Yeah.
I'll stop it. I think if we were to do that with a group, you'd cut this bit out.
Yeah.
Just for the fact of here.
You go straight down that one, wouldn't you?
Because I'm already not sure how I'm going to leave here.
Me neither. Before you.
I presume it's straight, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because I can see the forward time. Oh, this might be okay. Ready? It's just if anyone comes flying.
Yeah.
Didn't you? Whee!
Oh, Bob.
I kind of looked at that gate. When I realised it wasn't going to stay, I was thinking I'll go through and see if it will like fit.
That second gate I closed and it was literally touching the tow bar, but I had to double check. As you drove away.
Yeah, try to take the gate with us.
Exactly.
Because I had it in mind with that first one, if I couldn't get all the way through, just rest it on the back of the car. I didn't want to pull too far forwards and then end up like on that second one and then end up with the nose of the car in the road.
Oh, that'd be bad.
You're closing the gate, I'm driving, like I'm sitting there and someone swipes the front of the car, you know.
Is this it? This is the bridge side.
Looks like it.
If you want to stop somewhere. suss it out. God, that's bouncy.
Isn't it? I'll stop here. This could get interesting. Which side do you think? That's what I was just saying. What side do you think? That's what I thought. Easy. Piece of piece.
I'll let you turn round.
Yeah.
How are you doing it? Are you going right hand side or the... Try that, go that side to start with. See if it drags itself up. It's going to take a lot of... I'll let you...
Why does it somehow look worse coming from this way?
You may proceed onwards, driver.
Wait. By the way, I do like the fact that the spotting on that first run of that was basically you saying, like, are you going left or right?
Yeah.
It was funny because I was sort of more asking, like, which side looked better when you see the car versus it, you know? Because I kind of, initially I said right, and then I thought, actually, I'll probably be better left because it gets the angle to get over the worst of that mound.
I was going to say, it was more for the fact of, to see if the front end was just this smack straight into that, like, stony bit.
Definitely.
Because if it was going to do that, well,
exactly.
You want to go a different way.
Definitely. That was kind of what made me say about it too, yeah.
As soon as I knew it was going to clear, I was like, right, it's all about torque.
Yeah. I feel like I've got sort of the knack of, like, momentum now.
Yeah.
Oh no, you said when we get to the next one.
We're turning right out of here.